Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today's video is about bien and bon and when to use each. We're going to start the video by explaining the main meaning of each one, which is going to be quite fast. And then we're going to look at yes but, you know, the exceptions. Sometimes it goes like this, sometimes it goes like that, but the main meaning is what I want you to remember first. Remember that bien is mainly used as an adverb, not only but mainly. It describes an action, it never changes, and the primary meaning of bien is well. For instance, elle chante bien, she sings well. You see how the well qualifies the singing, it describes how she sings. Tu as bien mangé, you ate well. We put the bien in front of the manger because the active verb in tu as bien mangé is a. So that's where the bien goes, straight after the verb. Vous avez tout fini? C'est bien. Did you finish everything? Well done. On the other hand, bon is mainly used as an adjective, not only but mainly. It describes a thing, a person, or a concept. It changes with masculine, feminine, or plural. And its primary meaning is good, or sometimes nice. For instance, c'est un bon restaurant. It's a good restaurant. On a eu une bonne idée. We had a good idea. You see, an idea is feminine, therefore bonne instead of bon. J'ai passé de bonnes vacances. I had a nice holiday. And because in French it's always holidays, it's always more than one, the bonne will agree. The ending of bonne will agree with the S of vacances, but you can't hear it. Ils sont très bons élèves. They are good pupils or good students. Before we carry on, I just want to say you can claim your free ebook at the link below, the 12 Golden Rules of French, and you could also have a look at my course, Parler Français Level 1, and it's geared at people who want to learn conversational French the fastest possible way. So have a look and let me know what you think. Now, these are where the exceptions are. That's where it gets a bit more complicated. Bien can also be used for two things. An adjective to mean good or nice, in which case it doesn't change with the gender or the number. For instance, you're talking about a person who's really good, and you say c'est quelqu'un de bien. It's a good person. It's someone who's good. Sometimes it's a noun to mean the good, as in the greater good, or the goods, in which case it'll change with the gender and the number. For instance, you know how parents always tell their kids, c'est pour ton bien, it's for your own good. Also, for the goods, you could say sa famille a beaucoup de biens immobiliers. His family have a lot of properties or real estate, like you say in the States. In the same way, bon can also be used as two more things. An adjective to mean right or correct, in which case it changes with the gender and number. For instance, on n'a pas pris la bonne sortie. We didn't take the right exit. And it can also be used as an adverb to mean good, pleasant, or nice, and it doesn't change. Ça sent bon ici. It smells nice in here. Il fait bon maintenant. The weather's pleasant now. Now we use il fait bon for the weather, specifically for the temperature, when the weather's really mild and nice. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed this video to support me. and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt!